Hi, this is Josh from Josh Builds, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build this elastic band plane made out of mainly paper and straws. Now I'm going to get into the build real quick, but if you stay tuned into the end you can see all the tests I did. So first I'm going to cut out the propeller. I use a plastic cup because it has a little bit of curve, so our propeller will have a little bit of curve as well. I'll start off by just cutting up the plastic cup. Now I'm going to trace our propellers. I found this was a little big, so you might want to do yours a little smaller. Now I'm going to trace out a second propeller. Do it exactly the same. I glue it onto a small toothpick in a way that, as you can see soon, gives it a little bit of curve. This helps it grab the air. Now I get a small piece of a pen, and I'm going to glue that in the middle. This is our finished propeller. Now I'm going to shape up a paper clip. This is going to be used to hold the elastic band. Now I'm going to start making the wings. I fold a large sheet of paper. Now I find the center point and find the center point of a straw. This straw is just going to be a reinforcement. Now I'm going to start building the body. As you can see, I ended up cutting the paper clip a little longer than the original one I had. I push it through and attach it to the propeller. Now I attach a few elastic bands. This is going to be our source of energy. Put a paper clip through the end so the elastic band doesn't slip back through. Now it's time to attach the wings. I do one big wing and then cut a small wing out as well. I end up moving the main wing back a little further because I had some balance issues, and you'll see that later. Now this is the finished product right here. As you can see, I moved it back a little bit, our large wing, and now you can see how it flies. I also tried playing around with the flaps a little bit and got it to do a loop. Thanks for watching to the end of my video. Feel free to like and subscribe and check out ways to support me to help me make more cool and better videos like this one. To see my other projects and buy parts you might need, you can check out my channel or my website joshbuilds.com. You can also follow me on my social networks to keep updated with my new content. Thanks.